of Standard 3rd. Many people plant trees but few of them get fruit of it. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goals. Yes, I am dressed like Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The quotes which I told in front of you are quoted by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was born on 11th November 1888. He was the first education minister of independent India. He died on 22nd February 1958. Thank you.